In today's video, we're going to look at 6 keyboard shortcuts that help you navigate like a pro in the Linux Bash shell. These shortcuts are very simple, but they can make a world of difference in your command line workflow. The first 2 keyboard shortcuts are Ctrl+A and Ctrl+E. Ctrl+A is for moving to the beginning of the command line, while Ctrl+E is for moving to the end of the command line. So here I've typed out a long command. Now if I want to go to the beginning of the line, instead of repeatedly pressing the left arrow key, I can simply press Ctrl+A. This key combination instantly brings the cursor to the start of the line. Similarly, if I want to move to the end of the line, I can press Ctrl+E. Now the cursor is positioned at the end of the line. The next 2 keyboard shortcuts are Ctrl+left arrow and Ctrl+right arrow. Pressing Ctrl+left arrow moves the cursor to the beginning of the previous word on the command line. Likewise, pressing Ctrl+right arrow jumps the cursor to the end of the next word on the command line. Okay, we've learned 4 shortcuts that help us move around in the command line. Now let's look at the last 2, Ctrl+K and Ctrl+U. These shortcuts are really helpful for editing the commands you're typing. The Ctrl+K shortcut cuts everything from the cursor to the end of the line. And if you press Ctrl+U, it removes everything to the left of the cursor. So there you have it, 6 keyboard shortcuts that increase your productivity at the Linux command line. Practice these shortcuts regularly, and soon you'll be navigating and editing like a pro.